fuck? We were able to walk through that shit.
Oh, get out!
Where are they? Oh, on the roof, on the roof. They're on the roof, directly south.
Oh, God!
Alright, I'm bum rushing this house.
Which house? Alright, go. Are you upstairs?
Yeah, he's. Oh, there's two guys up here. Throw a grenade if you have one.
I do not. Are they still
Get
alive?
ready, because there's. Yes, there's two of them. They're to the left. They're to the. Oh, yep, they're to the left. Get out of there, then. Get out of there.
Oh,
You just opened the door, I think.
No, I opened it. Oh, God! Hey! Ow!
Oh, I see him.
Can you hit him? Can you hit him?
Shit, to his left, to his left, to his left.
I hit him a few times.
Yeah, I did. Watch this.
Oh,
Oh!
GG.
Yeah, oh yeah, he's like right here. No, he's
to the
out
left,
front.
to the left.
Hold on. Oh, I wanted to get closer to him. That's a shotgun, Ken. That's not how they work.
Behind you, behind you.
Oh, God. Whose idea was this?
He's downed. He's downed. He's downed. Let's
Somebody
kill
else.
him. Let's kill him. I don't know where the third guy is because Ken shot at him too early.
Yeah.
Oh, here he is. Get him, get him, get him, get him, Ken. He's right by the door.
Oh!
Yeah, get him, Matt, get him.
Ammo.
Run!
Pan him, Horrible. You wanker.
I mean, that would
Stop.
be pretty fun.
Bloody L.
Literally stop.
Literally.
I can't. I'm in here.
Get ready to drop in 3, 2, 1, drop. Ken already fucking dropped.
I dropped on one.
I don't play by the rules.
You didn't specify though. You just said get ready. And
Let's
Should I go like in
let's hit these.
to the actual?
No, let's
thing?
hit this. Let's hit this house right on the outskirt.
I don't know what house.
The one I'm gonna. The blue thing's at it right now.
one just around the river bend.
Oh.
I go once more, just around the river bend. A lot of people coming in. At the main.
A little
Decent
bit, yeah.
amount.
What, Dees?
Yeah.
Attic.
Oh, I got some shoes.
Don't
Got
land
the
on the roof.
keys. Get the keys.
What'd you get, Kenneth?
Nothing. Shoes.
Nothing.
I got some sweet shoes.
Corp.
So grab
Yeah,
it.
look how awesome I am.
There we go. I got it.
Oh.
Pretty sweet, huh?
Sweet duster. Alright, I need a
Got
gun.
like a shoulder pad on one shoulder.
Nice. I feel like this
Ooh,
is
I
gonna
can
be
read
real
this.
bad.
Bohar, Baba,
Oh no.
Kochobka.
I have 2 guns, so
Did you just say
that's for you
choke?
guys.
I don't even have a pan.
Found some cigs.
Oh Jesus!
Okay. See the flashes from their shot.
That means Ken.
I got him!
Someone?
I killed them both!
With what?
A shotgun I found!
Oh, there's another guy running outside though.
Dead.
I'm coming.
Is there an actual person out there or did?
Yeah. Oh, someone shooting at me.
Oh fuck, where are they? I'm coming, boys.
Execution.
There's a guy right where I am, literally.
Hold on,
In the
Austin.
corner. He's on the side of the
I'll be right there. Where?
To your
I'm
left, to your
coming.
left, to your left. Through that door. To your left.
Oh
He's behind you now. Where is he? Where is he?
Look out. Look out. Ken.
Oh crap.
Shit. Burst fire mode.
I'll have to go around. I have 2 shots left. Did you get him?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
There's
There's like 4 boxes in here.
Straight forward to the left, Austin.
Shit.
Are you guys all dead?
Ken.
Where is he?
Yeah, we're dead. He's in the room with us. It's our dead
Alright.
bodies. You go a little bit. Just a little bit. Right there. Blast him. Blast him. Hey, shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. And
To
then
her.
reload, and we'll take his
Gender.
guns if he has any, because you only...
Hey, gender.
Yeah, look down
What
that
is
road.
that?
See if you... Oh, that's a Jeep.
Oh.
Have I ever led you astray, Ken? The answer is no. I'm always right, and he knows it, and he won't admit it.
True.
Am I in the circle? Yeah, I'm good.
There's someone behind you.
Oh, jeez.
Ken? I'm going at about 145. Try to angle out so you're going to at 145 kilometers. Where's Matt going?
I don't know. I'm falling fast.
Don't go straight down.
I'm not.
Oh my goodness. Is there anyone else coming this way?
Bye, Matt.
And Matt is fucked.
We'll rotate him. There's somebody.
Where?
And that didn't really change me much.
Oh, there he is.
Where?
This is 165, the little shack.
I'm gonna go for it.
Yes, he's in there. Up on the roof.
I hear him. Okay. I don't know how he got up there, but I hear him.
I got him. He's
You
dead.
did?
Got him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's still 3 guys in the city, is what I'm saying.
Hold on, there's a guy over here.
Numbers, please. Oh,
At Ken.
how far? How far is he, Ken?
Hold on.
Down by
my
the
God.
mountains, over the hills, Austin. To your left, to your left.
Is he?
Yeah,
He's
he's by that
southwest.
building.
Southwest. His service.
Is he like
competitor.
far?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's pretty far.
Well,
Pistol.
no, you do what you want. I'm just saying we're in a red spot. He's up on the hill now. So I hit
You're a
him.
red spot.
I have no idea who the fuck you're shooting at.
He's gone.
Jeez, the crossbow is gigantic.
We need to go like now, because these guys are gonna come in up on us.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, you have to go first.
I was trying. Okay, go, Austin.
Boners.
Not the best I've seen, not the worst.
Oh, Jesus.
Shit, where is he?
To your left.
I don't think it's left, I'm pretty sure it's right.
Oh, looked like left to me. No, it's right.
Behind us.
Yeah, I know.
I'm dead. Right where we just came from.
He's in the little
Yeah, I'm dead.
half pipe thing.
Alright, nobody talk. I'm gonna blast them with the shotgun when they come in here.
Can I see him?
Maybe we can still talk.
No, because I need to hear them.
Oh.
You guys are being loud on purpose!
God.
Here he comes. Oh my god!
You just got like molested.
About to pass you.
Ooh, there's a supply drop over there.
Yeah, go for it.
Going in.
I'll try and cover you.
Oh, never mind. There's a car right there. Should I kill him?
Yeah, you can't shoot him. You have a scope, don't you?
Did not go well. Get out! Watch out. Are you dead?
Oh fuck, I'm down. I'm downed. I was trying to blow up their car. Shoot their car. That motorcycle. Alright, come help me, come help me.
Scared him.
I hear a car. A vehicle of sorts.
Oh, it's empty. Lame. Oh!
Are you shooting?
I was getting shot at. Okay, so...
Can't see him through the bushes.
Oh, he sees me. He sees me.
Why don't you drop over to... Why don't you come over to where I am?
It's gonna be risky. Oh, he got me.
Think they're gonna come finish you off?
He's a ways away.
You crawled to me, Ken?
Oh, here he comes. No! Shot me in the butt.
I'll avenge you. There's just one guy?
Yeah. Oh my god, stop.
Yeah, fuck, I knew he was coming. I just wanted to kill him first.